Hey everyone, today let's talk about a topic that's a bit more sensitive but super important: boosting your bedroom stamina. Now, if you've ever felt like you're not lasting as long as you'd like, you're definitely not alone. It's a common concern, but guess what? There are effective ways to tackle it, and I am here to guide you through them. First off, why does this happen? Well, pre-ejaculation can occur for a bunch of reasons, including stress, anxiety, or just not being in the best physical shape. But the good news is there are some pretty simple methods to help increase your stamina. Let's start with the basics. Exercise. Regular physical activity can tremendously improve your endurance. Specifically, focusing on your pelvic floor muscles can make a big difference. Ever heard of Kegel exercises? They're not just for women. Strengthening these muscles can help you control ejaculation and extend your intimate moments. Next up, mindfulness and meditation. It might sound surprising, but mental stress can play a big role in how long you last. Practicing mindfulness can help you relax and improve your focus during those crucial moments. Just taking a few minutes each day to meditate can lead to significant improvements. Nutrition also plays a part. Eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals can boost your overall energy levels and performance. Foods like bananas, oysters, and nuts are great for enhancing stamina. Remember, what you fuel your body with directly impacts how it performs. Lastly, communication with your partner is key. Being open about your concerns and working together can relieve a lot of the pressure and improve your performance. Sometimes just knowing that you're both in it together can make all the difference. So there you have it. Exercise, mindfulness, proper nutrition, and good communication. These are your tools for boosting your bedroom stamina. Start incorporating these into your daily routine, and you'll likely notice a difference not just in the bedroom, but in your overall well-being. Stay healthy and stay happy, folks. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, it's all about taking those small steps to a better you.